Today I'm adding piece number 11 to my 151 Pokémon magnetic puzzle map Blastoise. I start with the sketch. I try a couple different poses. First I draw him from above, focusing on the shell, didn't like it. Then I try a version where he's standing on a rock. Still not it. The third one finally works, since he's attaching on top of Wartortle. I have to move one leg back a bit so the lock lines up. I go with a walking pose. Once the drawing done, I mix my clay covers. I start blocking out the shape with rough clay. At this stage I'm just building mass and proportions, no details yet. Once the base feels solid, I switch to my sculpting tools and start defining muscles, shell edges and smaller features. The cannons are done separately, each one's built from a few different cylinders. I shape them, bake them, then glue everything together. To smooth everything out, I use regular oil instead of solvent. Solvent can leave brush marks. Oil takes longer, but it gives me a super clean surface. I add darker blue shading to the skin for depth. I only paint the cannons with chrome acrylic so they look metallic. After baking, I test the fit the Wartortle, and yeah, it doesn't fit at first, so I trim both pieces little by little. Since I remove a lot of clay, I rebuild some areas and add wire inside to keep it strong. I add a small piece to the tail to fill the last gap. Then I slowly bring the pieces together and let the magnets snap into place. That click means it worked. Blastoise is officially piece 11, one step closer to 151.